Alright guys, we're back here today at Pinery 1. We're about to get stuck into digging out this room again. We've done half of it so far, now we're going to get in there and do the rest of it. Dig it all out so we can get some road base in here, level it all out. Then we're going to get the concreter in here, so stay tuned guys and watch us get stuck into it. So we've finished digging out in here now. I've hosed the walls off and now I've got to come in here with some road base and some pegs and peg it all out to get the right level. So I'll give you a quick show around. That's what it looks like. That's down probably 200 mil in some places, so job's done. Stay tuned and see the rest of the progress.
Hey guys, so we've just been for a walk and Missy here has decided to roll in something that smells like absolute death. It's actually turned my stomach. So I lost and I get to wash her. It is absolutely disgusting. It's stinking the whole house out. Oh God. Lucy, why? It just stinks. Lynx Africa. Should kill the smell of it, I hope. I smell a bit manly, Missy. I smell very manly for a day or two. Doesn't smell like death. Why would you do this to yourself?
That's rude.
What makes you think?
Huh?
What makes you think that actually reeks like death? I should roll in that.
I don't know what dogs do sometimes.
It just makes no sense to me that you'd want yourself to smell like that, Missy. What were you thinking? Want to scrub? I don't want to smell you. I've got a mask on, so I don't have to smell it. I can still smell it through the mask. Disgusting. What a naughty little girl you are. Do not even do that again. Ever. Yuck. LJ LJ, leave her alone. Outside, LJ. Yeah, she's just having a bath. She's only having a bath, she's fine. Yeah, see, she's okay.
LJ, get out.
She does have a bath. Yeah, she stinks, doesn't she? You can still smell her. Disgusting, I know. See, your sister can still smell you. Oh, yeah. Oh, it wasn't you, LJ, because there's no way I'm washing you up here. Did you get your face? Did you get it on your face or your ears? Better not have. Yeah, I know. So just barking her, she's fine. Oh, big sister's worried about you. She's fine, LJ. Just having a bath because she's naughty. Yeah, she's have a bath because she's a naughty girl. Oh, sorry about that. Got herself stinky. Lucky I've got a dog towel up here, hey? In case of emergencies. Right, am I going to smell you? I think she smells alright. So, let this water out. Let's let that stinky water out. You're a naughty girl. No, you don't get me up. Have to wait there while I go put some rinse water on you. There you go. Hold on. Well, you didn't have to wet me.
Sorry, bud.
I didn't roll in it. You didn't have to wet Mum, she didn't roll in it. Alright, where's your towel? Right. Take off. Take my dog. Give it a shake. Oh, I don't want you to shake actually. Get all over my newly painted walls. Come here. Right. She's a brat, yes. Why are you so worried about her? She's a brat. Look, she's fine. She's fine. Oh, she doesn't even care about you. She's being grumpy. Oh, she's not happy. Well, she's had a bath. Hopefully the smell goes away because she stunk. Yeah, she smells it right now. Yes, she had a bath. Right, Missy, let's go sit in front of the fire and dry you. And please don't do that again.
Alright guys, back here at Pinery today.
We're at the post office.
At the post office.
This place that we always talk about. So just to put it into context for all our new viewers, we have two houses at Pinery. They're probably 300 metres from each other as the crow flies. So this is the second house we purchased. There's a story that goes along with that which we will cover in one of our vlogs soon. But we have to do some repairs to this wall, which was fine when we bought it. But Albi got a little overzealous chasing an electrical issue and ripped this wall off. And now it's time to fix this, put the board back on it because we've got some stuff going to happen soon at this cottage, which once again we'll cover in a later vlog. So, going to get stuck into it. This needs to be sheeted up. We've got to get a hot water service on here in the next couple of weeks. So Albi's fast at work. Had the electrician in to do the electrical work that needed to be done. They'll come back and fit the power point once we're finished, and then we can get the hot water service on. So today our job is to get the blue board on this wall. So let's get to it, Albi.
Okay. But we did have to pull this wall down because me and LJ got electrocuted, so...
There was ways to do it. It probably wasn't ripping all the sheeting off, but that's for another conversation. I need to go a bit further, sorry. No, you should be able to tilt it up. But you'll have to go swing it out a bit because you've got that above your head.
I'm not standing up,
it's
I'm
gone long ways.
long ways like it is.
Okay, cool. That makes sense.
Got to go behind that orange.
Yeah, I figured as much. What about this?
Oh, I've got to cut around it. That's why I want it sitting here so I can cut around it.
Okay. That unbolts there, so can't you drill a hole for that?
No, it doesn't unbolt there.
Okay.
I've left that on there and welded around it.
Alright. Do you want it to come down more?
I want it to go up more.
To
I
here?
don't want it this low.
Want it higher?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Just hang on to that for a sec, please.
Yep.
Got it?
Yep. I miss a May. You love that grass, don't you? Yeah, you love the lawn.
Lift that end up. Higher. Down.
And down. Down as far as I can go.
Just push it down.
Do you want it to come down further so it goes past this bit of timber?
Let me be able to screw it to that.
That timber's stuffed, isn't it?
Hold it right there where it is.
I'm holding it. Oh,
It dropped. Up a bit more. Alright, I'm going to go for a sec.
up on the bricks.
Yep. Bit more.
Is that far enough?
Alright, let's take it out so I can put some glue on there.
How far do you want it?
That'll do. Just stand there and hold it, please.
Yep. Now, do we need to get a level or are we just going to eyeball it?
It's going to eyeball.
Okay. Fingers. Are they those wallboard screws we got?
Yep.
They seem to do all right.
Just come and lift this end up a bit so it takes the pressure off this pipe. What?
Did you do this?
What?
Take that off there.
No.
Where'd that hammer go that I gave you?
Around here on the timber. When did he do that?
He put the gyprock on the wall for the pantry.
Serious?
Left his tool sitting on the noggin and sealed it in. Look at that, guys. You witness that? Alison fixed the house. Isn't he? You can't help it. You're just a bit silly. So just a bit silly, Dad. Right, got it. Ready?
Go.
Ready now. Come on. I've got it. If you do need to move that pipe a bit. Can it move sideways or you got to cut around it?
I'm going to cut around it, slide it towards you. Hang on to it.
Yep,
Got
easier
it?
said than done. I'm doing my best. Yep. Got it. Maybe. Hurry up.
Pull it out more.
My way.
Yep. Keep going. That'll do.
Didn't it go up? Try that again, eh?
Slide back this way.
Oh,
Keep going.
come back a bit.
Yep.
A little bit more.
Yep.
Needs to come back like 3 mil. Oh, it doesn't really matter because you're going to cut this end off anyway, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, what are you going to do up there? Are you going to just cut it while it's up there or are you going to draw a line and then cut it?
Probably cut it while it's up there, but I've got to put glue and shit on this.
Yeah, we'll mark where it is then. You can probably just draw a straight line and cut it. If you mark it now.
No, just mark it. Just do it when it's up there.
Alright. Arms are dead.
Got it?
Yep. Where's it going, Steny?
Out there on the lawn.
Watch out, missy mate. What's that for, baby?
Huh?
What's that for?
Straight edge?
Ah, there you go. Are you going to cut it on the ground?
Yep. Get out. Go.
Yeah, come on.
Urine's lighter now.
I did think that, but a tiny smidge and easier to carry. Get underneath it. Got. Right, got my end on, you got your end on?
Yeah.
I think it needs to go your way a tiny bit, will it matter?
No.
Do you want to push it that way a bit?
Yeah.
Shit. Fucking wires. Always way.
Slide it towards me. More.
That's level with the other one.
Don't worry about that, just go more.
Don't go.
Oh, dear.
I'll do.
Got it?
Yep, sure have. Now I've got an itchy nose. Oh, that's a good start. Thank you. Where's your pencil? Nice. Like I bought one, baby. Yeah, about there. Got it? Did anyone steal the pencil? No, that's got the pencil. Nice work, baby. One wall up. Maxie, got a job done today. On to the next job. Another repair that Albi did. Nice. Oh, that'd annoy you. Okay guys, that's one wall done, except for that little bit of capping which we've got to find where we put it and stick it back on. Now we're going to go inside to fix another one of Albi's little adventures. So that's the next on the list.